Hello, my name is Elnora Rozmut. I am a KMEP University Master Degree graduate, PR practitioner and lecturer. I'm pleased to present you a series of video interviews called Alumni Talks Stories of Success. In these interviews, as a host of the program, I will ask important questions those who got the best out of KMEP education and has achieved impressive results in their profession. During the program, we will focus on professional paths of our guests, starting from entering KMEP master degree programs in social science till the moment when they got their successful results. We will meet with masters in international relations, in public administration, in economics, and in media and communications. We will also have a block of questions on our guests' professional skills and habits. And I am sure that by the end of the program, we will have a list of practical tips useful for everyone. So, let's start! In the first program, I decided to introduce myself and share my professional experience as KMEP University Master Degree student in public relations. I graduated in 2016. So currently I work as PR consultant and I help entrepreneurs and experts to build their personal brand. And last year I opened my PR agency Brand Lab and also became anchor on radio station Business FM, and I run the program which is called Your Brand. And the lovely point in my right now professional way is that I became a lecturer at KMEP University in 2017, and I run such courses as public relations, also course on branding. My story starts with the fact that all my life in Almaty connected with KMEP. I came in Almaty from Tashkent when I was just 18, and I came to the city where I didn't know anyone, just with one suitcase. So on my second year of bachelor program, I started first of all, I took an internship on KTK TV channel, and then I started working as a correspondent and TV host in entertainment program. So that was the first moment when KMEP actually played important role in my career, because TV and that experience gave me a lot. So after graduation, I decided to taste myself in public relations, and I moved in the sphere of huge PR events. And I was working there for several years, and I organized such events as Charity Ball with Lara Fabian. I also participated in organization of Esquire Picnic and big educational events. A year after graduation, I realized that I want to become a professional in PR. So at that moment, College of Social Science at KMEP presented a unique opportunity to receive a scholarship in the area of public relations and communication. And of course, I decided to take this chance, and I made small analysis and understand that there is no alternative for receive international education in the sphere of public relations. So when I came on exam interview, I tried to do my best, and as a result, I obtained the scholarship on the program of public relations, master degree program, of course. Later, I realized that I have made the right choice, because the topic of my master degree thesis was to be helpful in some case in finding destination in my profession. During 2 years, I have been studying the phenomenon of personal branding, and I was doing the research on the topic of people behavior online, and I made the research among Almaty famous media representatives. During this research, I figured out that a lot of famous, successful people have fear in the beginning of their way, and a lot of people really worked on this fear. And with the help of my professors and my curator, Frederick Emmerich, I made my thesis, I finished it, and as a result, I got a methodology of how to create personal brand and how to work on the fear for everyone who want to have his or her publicity. After I graduated my G program, master degree program in international journalism and public relations, I started to work as PR consultant. I worked with businessmen. I continued to research the topic of fear in publicity, and as a result, I also took all this knowledge and tried to build my personal branding online. So at this moment, I already got 60,000 of followers on Instagram, and actually my professional way in social media somehow helped me to open my new opportunities in the career. And in 2017, as I told before, I started to work as KIMEP lecturer. I ran a course which called Image and Brand Management. By the moment when I really could build my reputation online, I started to receive a lot of interesting offers from international companies. And I decided to make my choice. So again, in fall 2017, I started to work in international company Lenovo as a senior manager of marketing for whole Central Asian region. Actually, this experience was for me as a big challenge because at that moment I was already a mom of 2 boys. I was working at KIMEP as a lecturer, and also I have my full-time position in Lenovo. But again, my experience of working in the team on the international level in KIMEP helped me. So I think I could delegate a lot of moments. At that moment, I could work in international team. After a year of work in international company, I decided to be more flexible and I went back to PR consulting. So I decided to open my company. With my team, we have been created a lot of PR strategies for the companies of different level and in different spheres. Also, I became an author of and trainer of personal branding development programs, and I really want to help a lot of entrepreneurs in our country to become more open and to build their personal brand. And of course, there are a lot of other points and things which I want to share, but this is in general about my personal experience, my professional experience, and right now I made a list of practical tips which really can help everyone in PR sphere or everyone who wants to enter master degree programs. Tip number 1, always learn. I started to learn communications and PR when I was 18, and right now I am 31 and I never stop. I always in the focus and I always looking for new information in my professional field. And it's interesting fact that at the moment when you graduate KIMEP, you anyway stay in touch with your community, and as a graduate, I receive a lot of letters of interesting professional trainings. We always have a lot of guest lectures in the campus. And right now we have a lot of Zoom sessions with KIMEP alumni, with those who achieve success, and with professionals in different spheres. Tip number 2, of course, networking. While you study in KIMEP, always try to make new contacts and be open to people. And during my master degree program, I really got a lot of new contacts, and right now I can call to my friends who become already CEO and top managers in government sphere, in sphere of business, a sphere of NGO, and with one call I can solve any problem, and this is very important in your professional way. Tip number 3, reputation. It's really important to work on your reputation on every stage of your life. And KIMEP, with its brilliant reputation, helped me to have a good start in my profession. If you wish to become a master degree student in social science, please pay attention to the following information. There are a lot of opportunities to get scholarships. Studying is largely compatible with full-time work. It is possible to finish the program in a year and a half if you are a dedicated student. There are a lot of possibilities to transfer credits from an undergraduate degree in the same specialization under certain conditions. KIMEP professors have doctoral degrees from European and Western universities. All information on scholarships, dates, and the master degree programs can be found on the website www.kimep.kz. I wish you to make a right choice in your professional life. Best regards and goodbye.